It turns out that treating hearing loss can help those with tinnitus. This is no secret to an audiologist like myself, but most people overlook this. It's confusing because when you have a tinnitus problem, you want to solve the tinnitus. And often you can go get a hearing test and you're told, oh, you have some hearing loss or your hearing is normal. About 80% of patients are told they have some high-pitched hearing loss. And 10 to 20% of patients are told test was normal, nothing wrong with your ears. Well, clearly there's something wrong with your ears if you have tinnitus, or there's something going on with your auditory brain because you have this tinnitus. So what most people forget or don't quite understand is that when we treat any hearing loss, it can help our brain reduce tinnitus.